Welcome to the 100K Alliance Review. The 100K Alliance is a proven program created by leading online marketers who will also be your mentors. They are Trevor Carr, Fergal Downes, and Max. This 100K Alliance Review aims to illustrate how you can reach 10K a month in affiliate revenue. The 100K Alliance program is establishing itself as an excellent program with individuals already experiencing financial success by implementing the techniques they teach. You just need to go through the program very diligently so as not to miss any pointers. This program provides you with an easy-to-follow system that, if taken seriously, will enable you to begin seeing results as far as making money. You need to put in at least 30 to 60 minutes daily studying and learning how to use the system. Over time, you will learn how to become a successful affiliate marketer. The creators will show you the precise steps to begin your very own affiliate marketing business by promoting digital products in any niche that you choose. You will learn where to find the products and how other affiliate marketers are making money online. Upon registration, you will gain access to an online course with 4 key modules. Each lesson within these modules breaks down the steps necessary for your learning journey. Simply follow the provided steps in the given order to navigate the course effectively. The program is legitimate. It is not a scam, but you will not make money overnight. You must follow and apply the training your mentors Trevor Carr, Fergal, and Max teach you. The system is designed to guide you toward generating 120K annually, emphasizing the need for dedicated effort and adherence to the training. Trevor, Fergal, and Max have been banking money lately by discovering the hidden money with both free traffic and paid traffic. Here are a few examples of money they have banked so far. Trevor banked 21.9K in 1 month in affiliate commissions. Fergal made his first 50K in 104 days before he quit his job. Plus, you get to work closely with super affiliates with $5 million under their belts. The primary goal is to fast track your affiliate earnings to 10K a month with a turnkey and user-friendly system. In contrast to various online courses and affiliate marketing training programs, the 100K Alliance is uniquely crafted to be accessible and applicable for individuals who are entirely new to the field. The primary goal is to reach 2,200 in 32 days and then scale it to 10K per month. The 10K Alliance, what is inside? There are 4 main modules plus a bonus module. The first one is the welcome module. The second one is free buyer traffic siphon. If you're looking for free targeted traffic with high conversion rates, you need to look at this video. It's free. You don't need to pay for it. Just watch, learn, and follow their teachings. The free traffic high ticket method is module number 2. It specifically talks about how you can make those high ticket sales. Module 3 is generating a ton of laser targeted free traffic with TikTok, and it's taught by Max. Then there's paid traffic module. It shows you how you can use paid traffic to boost your affiliate sales. And now we're going to take a look at the website itself. So let's go. Here we are at the affiliate website. And here's the welcome video. We'll just take a quick look.
Okay guys, so welcome to the 100K Alliance. My name is Trevor and this is Fergal and Max.
They tell you how to get support. There's a brief overview of the whole system that tell you how to get a sales funnel. And module 1 is free traffic. Let's just take a look. We saw that. We'll just look for a minute.
Okay guys, Fergal here again. So let's get started with the first free traffic method.
And then there's the free traffic method number 2, which is high ticket traffic, also taught by Fergal.
Okay guys, this is free traffic method number 2. This one works really, really well.
Okay. And then there is number 3, module number 3, which is free TikTok traffic taught by Max.
Hey guys, Max here, and I just want to personally welcome you to the 100K Alliance. And in this program, I am taking care of the TikTok module.
Okay. And then there's module 4, which is paid traffic, and that's also taught by Fergal.
Okay guys, Fergal here again, and I want to welcome you to our solo ads paid traffic module.
Okay. And everything is on the website to help you become a successful affiliate marketer making money online. But you need to go through the videos and step number 1 first, number 2, then number 3, 4, go in the steps they give you. Study them, learn each way to make money online first before you go on to the next one. And now we'll go back to the presentation. So we took a look at the modules on the website itself, and they suggest that you start with the first 4 modules, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you learn each step completely before you go on to the next one.
There's 2 options with this.
And here is the big one, the support system. You get access to the private members only Facebook group community. Here you can post your video to get it reviewed by them. You can ask any questions here and get your answers. What makes the 100K Alliance so beginner friendly? Along with the incredible how-to and hands-on program structure, they also provide goals for your first month. You'll always have attainable steps to take you on your journey to 10K a month in affiliate revenue. Time is money, and the 100K Alliance program is designed to deliver passive income. Making money while you sleep is the greatest feeling in the world. If you have a family or full-time employment to manage, it can be challenging to pour an extra 20 to 40 hours a week into an online business. The 100K Alliance takes the hustle out of affiliate marketing. Many online businesses and startups fail because they don't have a sales funnel that converts. The 100K Alliance members don't have this problem thanks to its proven and tested, highly converting sales funnel. Many newbies inside have made their first commissions. After following the program, members are making both low-ticket and high-ticket sales. You can see for yourself once you're inside the program within the Facebook group. I have a friend who started investing in this program in the middle of August 2023. He said the product is good and genuine, therefore he decided to try it. You must invest time and some money into the program to get anything out of it. So he looked for a high-ticket offer, as even one sale from a high-ticket offer makes a big difference. He then took action. The first week of September 2023, just 2 weeks after starting the program, he started making sales in the range of $10 to $200. Then in December 2023, he made a sale of $1,250 and around $350 more in other commissions. By January 2024, he kicked off with 2 high-ticket sales, $2.5K in commissions. It took 4 months to get his first high-ticket sale, but now he's sailing, making money, passive income. In short, it's the complete step-by-step blueprint to get you to make money as quickly as possible online. Trevor, Fergal, and Max are going to help you until you reach your first 10K per month. The program is very valuable, and if you learn the system and put it into action, you can transform your life, but only if you take action. So take your leap of faith now and purchase the 100K Alliance. Follow the steps, take action. You will be happy you did. Click on the link below the video. There are also bonuses for you. There's the exclusive Mega Bonus Lifetime Premium. There's Affiliate Samurai, Traffic Groundpage, Rolodex Guaranteed Approval, Affiliate Marketing Checklist, Your First Dollar Online, and the Real Revolution. Thank you for stopping by to check out the 100K Alliance review. Get started now. Click on the link below today. Get started for $497. Change your life. You'll be happy that you did. And thank you once again for checking out our video on the 100K Alliance. May you make money online soon.